Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today here in my garage we're going to be washing the Type R. You guys have been requesting a video how to wash your car, and I'm like, alright, I'll make you guys a video step by step and let's get to it. As you guys can see, a lot of bugs, and with the Type R, the wheels like come first. It makes a lot of brake dust from these Brembo brakes, and you're gonna wash the mud flaps too, the plastic inner liners, and you always want to start with the wheels first. And now just wash the exhaust as well. As you can see, the Type R is these two, you get black, but the middle one stays clean. So I'm gonna be trying to take the black stuff off, the fumes. So you want to have your like stick wash mitt for the wheels, and then just a wash mitt to wash the brakes and all the wheels too, inside. This thing will just help you inside the wheel. Because of the Type R, you can't really reach. Not good with this mitt, so this will help a lot. And we're gonna put shampoo in warm water. There. Now for the back wheels, it's much more easier a little bit because not as big brakes in the back, and you can put your hand in there and wash the wheels. It's good to rinse it first and then wash the mud flaps, Valley Armor. Shout out to them for making these amazing mud flaps that keeps your car clean and it's not that dirty as it would be without them. Got these wheels to do, and then we'll be done with the wheels, and then we'll move in the car. Yeah, all the wheels are washed in front and the rear. Now we're gonna move on to the exhaust. I put a special chemical spray on it. Oh, it helped to remove the built-in contaminants in there. As you can see, this chemical, it turns it into purple. I'll wash it nice. It should be nice and shiny. So I'll wash the exhaust tips. There's some black stuff left, but just cleared them before. And the middle one is always shiny. There's these two. I like the black on the bottom. But they look good anyway. They look clean. Now it's time to wash the whole car. Make sure you wash your bucket and the grit guard before you wash the car, so all the rocks on the bottom of the bucket won't go in your wash mitt and scratch your car. And now put shampoo again. Shampoo. Once that's done, you just pour water in, and that's it. Now that it's nice and soapy, you take your wash mitt and you just put it in there. And then you rinse your car. Take as much bugs off as you can with the water and make it wet. And make sure to put your wipers up for the front and rear. You want to always start from the top of the roof and work your way down of the car. Make sure you get every angle of it. When you have these visors, it's a good to have a washing like this that go over your fingers, so you can just go in there nicely and wash it without having to like damaging it. I'll put you guys in time lapse and so you guys can see how I wash the whole car with much faster speed. Alright guys, the car is washed. Now I'm gonna bring it in the garage and wipe it down. Because I'm not gonna wipe it down in the sun so it won't leave watermarks. Stay tuned. So you need like these microfiber towels. Make sure like you rip the tags off because they come with tags. And you wet it and you start wiping it off. You should start on the roof too. On the roof is the most water. You wipe it. When it gets like soaked wet, take it off, squeeze it, and wipe again until everything is off. The whole car. And you always want to wipe in the shade so you won't leave watermarks in the sun. Watermarks are really hard to take off in the car. So now you want to open the doors and like wipe the door jambs. The sides right here, you want to wipe them nice. Make sure like you leave no water under the rubber molding right here too. And right here, at the door. You're supposed to do that because if not, it'll just get dirty, and when you open the door, it'll be clean on the outside and dirty on the inside. Which you wouldn't want that to happen. And in there too. Do it all around the 4 doors, under the hood, the trunk, and the fuel cap door there too. So guys, the car is all wiped. Now I'm gonna be applying the spray wax. I use Shine Armor. So your wax, pretty much you spray little bit by little bit, and then you just wipe it off with a clean microfiber towel, and it leaves a nice shine. Do you like black trim, the paint. It protects the paint too. So pretty much do all around the whole car with the wax. You can use any wax you like. I like the Shine Armor like spray wax. Been using it for like 2 years now. Been working really good. I'm gonna be applying it to the whole car, and we'll show you when the job will be done. So guys, the car is fully complete. It's been fully washed and detailed. Put tire shine on the wheels, put wax on the black trim on the car too, on the windows, so that could be water repellent. It's where when it rains I don't need to use my wipers. Check the reflection out, really shiny. Especially the championship white. When it's washed up, it's so nice and clean. Got the mud flaps all washed, the wheels, the brakes. Walk around the car for you guys. It's really a simple process to wash your car. White cars, when you wash it, sometimes you forget some corners or spots and you wash it again, take the hand mitt and just wash it off. Pretty much straightforward. And the lid here, the wax on it too. Brake, check the brakes out. So shiny, it just pops. And if you guys enjoy this video, please subscribe, like and share this video with your friends. There's some people that probably need help to how to wash the car, so I made this video for you guys. And I'll put everything what I used in the link below from Amazon. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care. God bless you guys. Thanks for watching again. Peace.